How to check if iPhone parts are changed or repaired. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily check if your iPhone parts are changed or repaired. So let's find out. So first thing first, just head over to your settings on your device, and once you're inside here, just locate your general section over here and simply tap on this about section. And once you tap on it, here you can see all of the iOS version, your model name, and the thing you need to consider over here is this: you can just copy your serial number from over here, and once you copied it, you can just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for the check coverage Apple, where you can easily check if your iPhone parts are changed or repaired by simply entering your device serial number over here and just submitting with this captcha over here. And another thing, how you can check or find out that your device is changed or repaired, is just head back to your settings once again and simply head back to about section as previously mentioned. So as you can see, my model name starts with M, so it means that my iPhone device is original. So if your model name starts with N, it means your some parts has been changed on your iPhone. And if your model name starts with F, then your iPhone device is completely refurbished. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.